Welcome back, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video with KK's Kitchen and more. What a guan. So today I want to share with you my quick and easy garlic shrimp recipe. Quick and easy for dinner, for snack, for lunch. What I have here is just 1 pound of shrimp, and I am using some Goya all-purpose. I'm using some Cajun seasoning or Cajun seasoning, and I will be using some lemon seasoning. Yes guys, the lemon seasoning is very good for the shrimp or fish. It's very good for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it on, and I'm going to just blending my seasoning by mixing them up. Yes guys, and I will just set it aside for 10-15 minutes. Don't have to be long. And because we are making garlic butter shrimp, we are going to need lots of garlic. So here I have like a full head of garlic, and what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning up the garlics and I'm going to press them, right? Because we want the garlic fine. So I am going to use my puncher and punch them, right? So I'll go ahead and do that for you. I'll do all of them. And this is what it look like, guys. This is what we need. It's just a pound of shrimp, so we don't need a lot. I am going in here with a half stick of butter, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil, olive oil with it. I just want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to my subscriber. Welcome back. Thank you for coming through. And to all that are watching that have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, remember to turn on the notification bell. So when I drop a video, you will be first to get the video. And what I'm doing here, I am just going to slightly brown the shrimp on both sides. Just slightly brown it. I don't want it to fry too much, and I'm not putting a lot of oil or butter because what I'm going to side this with don't really need any gravy. So after doing that, guys, doing both sides, I'm going in with some more butter, and I'm going in with my garlic. I'm going to saute the garlic. Yes, so the garlic can season the butter and the oil. Yes guys, and remember, shrimp is not hard to cook, and we have already slightly burned them, so heat has already passed through them. So all we are going to do is just to pour back that shrimp into the pot, and we are going to saute. And we saute and leave for just a minute. As I said, it already cooked. We just want the garlic butter to absorb in the shrimp. Yes guys, and what we are going to do now to top it off, to bring all the flavors together and to take it up a notch, is lemon juice. Guys, if you have never tried the lemon juice on your garlic shrimp, try it. This will elevate all the flavors for you. You will always want to do garlic butter shrimp. And so I am just sauteing for a minute, and after the minute, our garlic butter shrimp is ready. It is ready, guys. I am putting on some thyme leaves, just a decoration really, and then I I'm going to serve my garlic butter shrimp. Quick and easy dinner recipe, lunch recipe, snack. You can eat it by itself or you can side it with whatever you want to side it with, mashed potato, rice, whatever you want to side it with, it is good. Okay guys, so here I am serving you my garlic butter shrimp. From my kitchen to yours, this is my garlic butter shrimp. Thank you for watching and I will see you in another video. Walk good. Take care.